Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You see, today I'll show you how I learned to solve a Rubik's cube. And during this vacation, I've learned how to solve a Rubik's cube. So let's begin. So first, we need to make a plus in the white. So we need to take the middle. We should put all the white middle pieces here. So first, we're going to do like this. Then like this and like this. So now we got the face of the middle. Can you see the plus? Now we should do is down the face now, isn't it? So now it's blue. So you should slowly bring it to the blue's face and turn. So each color should be like red, same way, the green same way, and the orange same way. So now we got the white plus. Can you see? Now we need to make a full face of the white. So now we got the white's full face and we got the first layer. Can you see? Now we got the first layer too. Now we need to do is make the second layer. So now we make a second layer. So now we got the second layer. Can you see the second layer we have got? Now we should make the yellow's full face. So now we got the yellow's full face. Now we should check is there any middle colors? So there are all blue colors, but except just in the middle there's no other color. So we should hold it back. So now we got a red full face. So now I'm going to say the equation of the last stage. So we need to hold this back and we should do it R U dash R U R U R U dash R dash U dash R2. So ta-da! So ta-da! This is the cube is solved. So now I'm going to say is first it was very impossible for me to do the cube, and then when I keep on trying, I got it. And then I was very happy that I did it by myself. And then if I can do it, and I wrote the equations in my book, and then if I can do it, you can also do it. So try it. Bye bye.